Hi everyone. So today's lesson is about graphing rational functions. And at the end of this video, you must be able to graph rational functions. Um, to graph rational functions, you need to understand the graph's behavior near the values of x where the function is undefined. And the function becomes undefined when the denominator is 0. So when the denominator is 0, or that's going to be undefined. So we have to find the excluded values because that's the value that will make the denominator 0. For example, f of x is equal to 5 over x minus 2. What's the value of x that will make x minus 2 0? So to solve that, so x minus 2 not equal to 0. Solve for x now by adding both sides by 2. So our x will be not equal to positive 2. So excluded value is x not equal to positive 2. For letter B, what's the value of x that will make x plus 8 0? So x plus 8 not equal to 0. Subtract both sides by negative 8. So my x should not be equal to negative 8. Therefore, the excluded value of the given function is x should not be equal to negative 8. So try the practice exercises. What is the excluded value for y equals 3 over x plus 7?